I'm standing in front of our new 26 Heritage, the ultimate luxury touring camper. Hi everyone, Ron here.
And Jake Stevenson.
We're with Alliance RV and Midwest Automotive Designs. Today, we're standing in front of our 2026 Heritage with the new hybrid system for this year. Jake, what are some of the cool features with the hybrid system?
Cool features, you have a generator and you have 540 amps of lithium power. So you can stay on the road, out dry camping for north of 35 hours.
Great, so yeah, it's a perfect marriage of lithium and generator, but that's just a feature. Let's get down to what Midwest is really known for, our interior. All right, we're sitting in the front driver's cabin of a Mercedes-Benz, and that's where you're spending most of the time in a Class B motorhome. Jake, what are some of the cool features that Midwest does here up in the front?
So in the front, starting on the floor, it's all carpeted with custom carpet mats for your Mercedes. So it gives you a nice, clean area. You can take your mats out, brush them off. You're in good shape down there. Then you go to your seats and your luxury custom covers on your seats.
Yeah, some great stuff up here. You know, one of the big things we do here is that we order our chassis fully loaded as well, right? And what does that mean? You know, that's adaptive cruise control, that's blind spot assist, collision avoidance, all the safety features you would find on your everyday S-Class Mercedes, if you will, right? Diesel powertrain, so you get great gas mileage, up to 18 miles per gallon, LED front headlamps, and of course, that famous German engineering. It definitely drives very German.
It does.
So great at highway speeds for sure.
And then we bring in our custom touch so that the front of the cabin matches all the way back through. So you have your stitching up here, custom covers on your panels here so that everything matches back through the coach.
And Jake, we can't forget about this. Massage seating.
All right, so let's head back and look at some more amenities in the coach.
Excited. All right, so now I'm standing in the back of the van, okay? And our midsection right here behind the driver passenger is additional 2 captain's chairs facing at a 32-inch smart television. So what does that mean? That means we're giving that touring ability. It's taking a conversion van with the RV amenities. And when I mean RV amenities, let me take a step backwards. And now I have a 3.5 compressor-driven refrigerator, a microwave up above, a dual induction stovetop, a deep kitchen sink, a shower across here with instant hot water heater, and a porcelain toilet. So I have you covered on all your basic RV amenities. All right, and let's talk to Jake here in the bed area.
All right, so I'm here in the back of our MD4. You have a comfortable power bed, has memory foam. You have a shirt closet here for your hangables, and then plenty of overhead storage all the way around. This is a pass-through storage, and then you have pass-through storage underneath your sofa also. So plenty of room for your gear and a comfortable bed to sleep on, and this is power. So this lays down flat, and then these close out in the middle, creating a large queen-size bed in the back end.
With this hybrid system, it really is meaningless if we don't have good temperature control in here, from the heater to the air conditioning system. And Jake, we've done a few more things than just that.
So we bought custom insulation package. It's a composite insulation. It's custom formed for every nook and cranny in the van. So even the bows that go up and hold the van together, there's insulation that tucks inside those bows. So it's a complete composite insulation package. Does a great job of keeping you warm in the winter and cool in the summer.
Yeah. And on top of that, right, we've added the new GREE AC, which is something our customers have been asking for a while. It's a very powerful air conditioner that works with our demands of lithium power and the hybrid power, 15,000 BTUs, heat pump inside, and highly efficient. And then also beyond that, we're talking about storage, right? Yep. So we have opened up the rear overhead storage in the rear of the van. It's given a significant amount of space in the back.
Yeah, so it's a complete pass-through, so you have access to that from both inside the coach and outside the coach. That's awesome.
And all these things, right, are driven by our customers. These were all customer asked. These were all customers already customizing their vans at the rallies doing this.
Yep.
And what we did as manufacturers, we took their ideas and we did put them right to work.
All right, so next we're gonna head outside and show you some of the exterior features that are unique to Midwest vans.
All right, we're out here on the camping side of the Heritage, or the tailgate side of the Heritage for our customers. What are some cool features out here?
So we have a Carefree awning that's painted to match, so it blends in with the side of your coach perfectly. It's a 13-foot awning, so you have plenty of room underneath if you have inclement weather. And then also it has a tremor system, so if you have too much wind pickup, it'll automatically retract, so you don't end up having to leave with a broken awning from your park.
That could really ruin the trip, right? So great to see that. And we also have plenty of lighting as well. We have cob lighting in the awning. We have a porch light back there. Obviously courtesy lighting getting in and out of the coach with our power sliding door, by the way.
Power sliding door, and then when your coach is open, we have a screen, an Obico screen door there that closes out that area so it keeps the bugs out of your coach.
Very cool.
Additionally, we have a 110 outlet out here for tailgating or TVs, crock pots, whatever you need to hook up.
And now let's head on over to the driver's side.
All of our coaches come equipped with a smart plug, so that makes it really simple for putting your power in. You know when it's in, and it's simple. You don't have to screw it in, you don't have to do anything like that. Nice chrome cover on it, good clean application for power for your coach.
Thanks, Jake. Right now I'm in front of our all-in-one utility bay, something we're very proud of Midwest. Every single one of our coaches that we produce has an all-in-one utility bay as of 2026. That includes a macerator pump with power gate valves and power retract as well. So as you pull it out freehand, it will power itself right back in. We also have standing flushes for your gray and black tank and our temperature controlled exterior shower. Hey Jake, let's talk about what's on our roof next.
So on the roof of our vans, our awning and the air conditioner are both painted to match the body vehicle color, so you have a nice clean look. So an additional feature on this coach, it has the 4-camera system, so you have cameras in the rear and side shooting cameras and a camera out the front. So you have 360-degree viewing around the coach with the 4-camera system, giving you plenty of safety and convenience when getting into your campsite. We have a hitch on the back of all of our vehicles. It's rated for 5,000 pounds of towing, plenty strong to be able to put the accessory kit to have your e-bikes at the back of your coach. Let's head to the front of the coach to teach you more about this floor plan. Thanks for walking through the Heritage MD4 with us today. For more information, go to our website at midwestautomotivedesigns.com.
And search for us on Midwest Automotive Designs on all your social media platforms. And get out there moving with Midwest.